Viewers, your anger finds its voice on Times Now. Our group editor-in-chief, Navika Kumar, sat across Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu and did what the entire ecosystem that smugly brands Times Now with names claims is impossible. She cornered the government, hammered it, refused to let it wriggle out with platitudes. No softballs, and you will see that. No escape routes, just direct and hard questions. Why has the government been so soft on Indigo? Why have passengers been treated like cattle for months while the airline raked in profits? Will Indigo finally be made to pay for the chaos, the humiliation, the sheer arrogance, viewers? Will the government put people before corporates? What on earth was the ministry doing while an entire airline held the nation to ransom? Every question that burned in the chest of every harassed passenger was fired point blank at the minister. No deviation or deflection was allowed. Navika Kumar demanded answers on your behalf. Viewers, Times Now does not do, the drawing room debates that end in polite applause. We take your anger, your frustration, your everyday nightmares, and we seek accountability, viewers. This interview is also a reminder of who actually stands with the people when it matters. Sample the questions that were asked, and for the answers, watch the full interview at 9 p.m. tonight.
The international norms came into operation in January of 2024. Between January of 2024 to January of 2025, it required the High Court to give orders that this FDTL needed to be implemented. It wasn't as if the consultations and your worry led to the implementation. It was a High Court order. Having said that, you said 2 phases, July 1st and November 1st. But November 1st, it wasn't implemented. May I just read out how many flights were cancelled in the month of November itself? It is about 1,232 flights cancelled by Indigo alone in November. 755 of them cancelled due to crew and flight duty time limitation constraints. 1,200 plus flights had been cancelled by this airline only in November. December is when the crisis hit. In November, what was the regulator doing? What was the ministry doing? So if Indigo has messed up its internal systems, why are you accommodating them? Every time there is a press release and it says that Indigo has profusely apologized. They don't even know what their internal issues are. They have said so in a press release. They have not appeared before you. Every time the ministry has accommodated them, every time the ministry has relaxed the norms for them, you have given them time till February. You have cancelled and taken back your FDTL norms till such time that Indigo is comfortable. I want to ask you, are we running airlines here for the comfort of the people of India or for the comfort of the profiteering of an airline called Indigo Airlines? Mr. Ram Mohan Naidu, my question to you is, we are 2 years behind schedule on implementing safety for passengers. So that you are doing a lot for safety of passengers is a concern that you should put aside. This really does not wash down with the people of India. Seems to be that lives are extremely cheap in this country, which is why airlines are accommodated, people are not. There are refunds, there are provisions, and it is absolutely evident with the sequence of events that Indigo had no plan. They had no plan to implement the roster duty changes, the FDTL requirements. They had no plans, and evidence suggests that to a lay person. Yet what Indigo gets in return is accommodation, relaxation of deadlines for implementation, and a profusely apologetic statement that they put out. Not one head has rolled, not one action has been taken. And may I tell you, the human side of this. There was a lady traveling from Shillong to Kolkata, accompanying the casket of her dead husband. If you saw that, Mr. Naidu, you would sit here and cry just as that woman, hapless woman, who was waiting and the airlines had no answers to give them. In the middle of this, if you give me an assurance that you are worried about the safety, I'm sorry, nobody in this country will believe.
Able
The
to tell
charge
them that,
against
this
the
thing-
airline is that this was deliberate. They had not prepared for the FTTL.
And
They
I want-
always knew they could arm twist the regulator and the government, and they have managed to do precisely that.
And I want to get to the bottom of this. Let me tell through you to Indigo or whoever it is. It is not just one airline. Any airline who thinks ministry is just sitting like this and just doing this, it is a strict warning to them. This is going to be an example for all of them and the future to come also, that nobody can take us non-seriously.
Everywhere abroad, if this is the way an airline behaves, there is compensation. Here, passengers not even offered a cup of tea. You would have seen those visuals, sir.
Absolutely.
I have seen them.
Absolutely.
A father standing there asking the ground staff that my daughter needs a sanitary pad.
मेरा बेटी का ब्लड आ रहा है, ब्लड नीचे से ब्लड आ रहा है, बैठ जाइए, दे दो.
There is a couple wanting to fly for their wedding had to attend their own reception virtually, sir. Where is the compensation? Right now we are only talking about refunds for the cancellations that took place. Where is the compensation that the airline should pay for the hardship they have caused to the people who believed in an airline that owns 65% of market share? And that brings me to the question. 65%,
Yes.
Are they arm twisting the market, the passengers and the government alike?
Definitely not.
The airline made no attempt to make arrangements. This was fait accompli. It was waiting to happen. They took everything for granted and they knew they controlled the system, which is why the system buckled under pressure of passenger fury and rolled back everything. I'm asking you, an airline that believes it can actually turn around the policy on its head is actually blackmailing the system. Blackmail is criminal.
And they will
What
pay
is
for
the
it.
action and when is the action? कब होगा
Very
ये
soon.
action?
Let's see, we have given a 15-day period for the inquiry report.
You are waiting for people to forget their discomfort.
Not at all.
Then
not at
why
all.
15 days? Why not
Not
5
at all.
days? And are we here
Unless
on
we-
a training
unless
ground
we-
for
unless we
learning,
explore-
sir? I'm asking you
No, it
this.
is.
What action against
Def-
DGCA?
Definitely.
DGCA should have had
Yes.
minute-to-minute observation
ji,
of what is
Navika
happening
ji.
there. Parliamentary committee in July or August had warned about the shortages. The DGCA, which has personnel requirement of 1,034 the last I counted, only 550 people are there. It's half empty. 50%
The
positions have
restructuring-
not been filled. How do you expect?
Restructuring of the DGCA happened 2 years ago, and when the restructuring happened, that is where the vacancies started rising, and in due process, all the vacancies
It's
are being
running on
filled up.
50%
All the
capacity.
vacancies, safety was not compromised at all.
But 50% capacity is fine
तो
to
उसका
run
भी
the
लेने के लिए
DGCA.
प्रोसेस रहता है. There is a process to.
कितना
there is a
time? 2
process-
साल?
2 साल वो प्रोसेस
2 साल FDTL implement करने में, 2 साल DGCA staff करने में,
I can give
2
you the
साल
facts.
Indigo पे
I have
action
laid
लेने
the
में.
facts in the parliament. I can give you the facts again, that with thorough process, because we need technically subject matter experts to be there in that organization, and following the SSC norms, following the UPSC, whichever needs to be recruited through that process, all the norms are being followed so that the right people come and sit in that organization. So there is no delay from any fact. I can prove you that there is no delay.
It's operating on 50% and you're
We
saying
have
there's no
in the
delay.
last.
The dream of your government was कि हवाई चप्पल वाले भी हवाई सफर कर
Is it
सकें.
not true? Do you not believe it is true?
पर अब ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे we are on a hope and a prayer because safety norms 2 साल से आप पोस्टपोन कर रहे हैं, अभी और पोस्टपोन हो गया. इंडिगो ने कोई तैयारी नहीं की. आप एक्शन लेंगे लेकिन 2 हफ्ते बाद, 3 हफ्ते बाद. अगर किसी प्राइवेट कंपनी में मैं आपको बताऊं, अगर इस तरह का परफॉर्मेंस होना, हेड्स बिगिन टू रोल, लोगों की नौकरियां जाती हैं, उसी से डिसिप्लिन आता है। यहां कुछ नहीं हुआ है राम मोहन नायडू जी। एक प्रोफ्यूजली अपॉलॉजी का एक प्रेस रिलीज आया है, इसको अगर कोई पैसेंजर जिसने सहा है दुख, अगर इसको पढ़ेगा ना तो शायद वायलेंट हो जाएगा, जो सोल्यूशन नहीं है, लेकिन उसको इतना गुस्सा आएगा। मैं वायलेंस सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही हूं, क्योंकि कुछ लोगों ने बदतमीजी भी की ग्राउंड स्टाफ से, लेकिन अगर आप ग्राउंड स्टाफ के अकाउंट्स सुनेंगे तो द एंटायर टॉप ब्रास ऑफ इंडिगो हैड गॉन साइलेंट फॉर दोज 3 or 4 वेरी बैड डेज। द ग्राउंड स्टाफ वाज फेसिंग, उनको पता ही नहीं था कि करना क्या है। इसके लिए कौन सी इन्वेस्टिगेशन की जरूरत है? नंबर 1। नंबर 2, माई क्वेश्चन टू यू ऑल्सो इज कि हमने बड़े बड़े बोर्ड बनाए, बड़े बड़े इंडिपेंडेंट डायरेक्टर हैं, उसमें फॉर्मर सेबी चेयरमैन है, फॉर्मर ब्यूरोक्रेट्स हैं, फॉर्मर प्राइवेट सेक्टर के एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, फॉर्मर प्रेजेंट लॉयर्स हैं। क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है किसी की? आर दीज बोर्ड्स फॉर फ्रेंड्स एंड family? I'm making this point because Mr. Gangwal, who also had the shares of Indigo, had written a letter in 2019 to everybody who was anybody in the system, saying that Indigo is taking the country for a ride, the airline for a ride. What action was taken?